In this problem, we're given all three sides of triangle ABC and asked to find the measure of one angle. Anytime that we're given a problem in which a triangle or any other shape is known, the first step should always be to draw a picture. Once we have our picture diagram, we can start labeling with the given information. Side AB is 5, BC is 10, and CA is 8. And we are asked to find the measure of angle ABC. In order to do this, we have a few options. Given the specific information of three sides, we cannot use law of sines, because law of sines would mean that we would know one of the angles. Since we know none of the angles, we have to use law of cosines. To use law of cosines, we want to make sure that we set up an equation where 8 is the side on the opposite side, because then we will know that this angle here, angle B, will be the angle inside of the cosine. So we have 5 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 5 times 10 times cosine of angle B, and this can tell us what angle B is. So we have 64 equals 25 plus 100 minus 100 cosine B. Go to your calculator, or you can subtract, but just to make sure, we can say 64 minus 125 is negative 61 equals negative 100 cosine B, which means that cosine B is equal to 61 over 100, which means that B, using an inverse cosine of 61 over 100, has to be about 52.41 degrees. If you were asked to find any other angles, now you have a choice of using law of sines, using the angle you just found, or setting up law of cosines a second or third time, rotating where the sides fall in the equation.